what are you doing? Jay is playing in the park. Hey, this Saturday we are enjoying. Ha ha ha. Where is Dad? Daddy is here. Daddy is here. We are playing. There is little rain coming on top of us, and you can see it here. Da, 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 da. On top. This is how it looks like. It's pretty cloudy, and I'm getting a lot of rain. And my baby is sleeping. Ah, we both are enjoying. Jay. This is all around us. Superbly done. Nani, what is that, Daddy? Ah, that's a fire engine. There is no need of fire engine now because it's raining now. Ha ha ha. Oh, fire engine is coming. Let's see and stop. Oh, it's raining a lot. We are drowning. Oh my God, where is he? Ooh, we are drowning in the rain, Daddy.